Hello everyone, nice to meet you. My name is Michael. My last name is Cifuentes. My nickname is Michael. My place of birth is Bogota City. I was born on November 27, 1994. My nationality is Colombian. My phone number is 318-837-1746. I have 26 years old. He is my soccer player favorite. Your name is Mohammed. Your last name is Salat. Your nickname is Salah. Your place of birth is Garbia. His day of birth is June 1992. Your nationality is Egyptian. Your profession is soccer player. He's, he is 29 years old. He is my actor favorite. Your name is Wheeler. Your last name is Smith. Your nickname is Will Smith. Your place of birth is Philadelphia City. His date of birth is 25/1968. Your profession is actor. He is 55 years old. Thank you.